What is the wealth equation? In a capitalistic society, such as the United States of America, one is paid in proportion to the perceived value that he has. Athletes, actors, all those sorts of people, their perceived value is high. And this explains why this is very important to understand properly and explains why people are paid differently. Someone who cleans is paid less than an accountant because it's not so difficult how to learn how to clean and they're easily replaceable. The accountant, on the other hand, has spent years studying numbers and has saved their clients on taxes. Take a rabbi such as myself. I get paid by many different people to teach them. Right now, that's currently in the form of a chavrusa, a one-on-one. All ages, older people also, at different levels. But I'm a little different. I have a lot to bring to the table. I've been focusing and learning for close to 2 decades straight. So my level of knowledge is higher than most people's. And most people can't do what I'm doing. Now, the truth is, for a tutor, so to say, you don't need to be that qualified. You don't need to be overqualified like that. But it depends exactly what a person is looking for and what he's capable of doing. Right? It depends. There are people that are different. You know? So it's the same exact idea. Is the average person, or even someone who's been learning seriously for some time, is he able to have 6 back-to-back sessions with different people, half an hour each? I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no, on different topics all at once. Person also needs stamina to do that. Concentration, focus, discipline, hasmada, diligence. Not that what I'm doing necessarily makes the most money, but I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it because I enjoy doing it. I like helping other people, interacting with other people, growing while another person also grows. I feel the growth in that, right? So that's capitalism. This is the wealth equation. We're going to come back to it. Let's continue over here. The market perceives the value of the accountant to be higher. He's saving people thousands of dollars, and therefore he's going to make more money. But there's still a problem. Even based on the research that I did, that's called an employee. One of the most highest paid employees is, based on the minimal research that I've done on this topic, is a surgeon. They get a lot of money. But the problem with that is they have to take a lot of their time. It takes a lot of their time. Time is effort, energy. It takes time to generate wealth. And such an individual who properly puts aside money and invests will only be able to reap those rewards of wealth that he built later on in life. The real way to make money is owning a business. The problem is most businesses fail. If you want, you could Google it. Around 50% of businesses fail within the first 5 years of the business. It's a very, very difficult thing to do. So the wealth equation is if you want money, you got to solve problems. All money runs from this basic premise. If it solves a problem, depending upon what the problem is, money will be thrown at it. If it's $1 million problem, solution will make you millions. If it's $1 billion problem, it will make you billions. But someone who's chasing and running after money is chasing the wrong thing. Person has to chase after problems, but more importantly, solutions to those problems. Now, for most rules, there are exceptions. The reason why this idea isn't necessarily 100% accurate is if you're going to tell me, if we're going to say that the only way to make money is solving problems, then how is it that someone that I know who is very successful, who is an options trader, what problems is he solving? And they make a lot of money. So that's not necessarily the only idea, but this is one idea how to look at it to solve problems. But nevertheless, this idea is important that one's perceived value is viewed based on how society values it. Important idea. I'll stop it out there.